What's going on, everyone? I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Serge. Welcome to the channel. To all my reoccurring viewers, thank you so much for all the love and support that each and every single one of you have shown me. And if you have not yet, make sure to go check out LegionAssistedLivingAcademy.com, where I teach how to start your own facility from A to Z. And also, if you have not checked out ValleyALFVentures.com, make sure to do that as well. And as you can tell, I am standing in front of one of our most recent acquisitions here in Santan Valley, Arizona. It is a 10-bed facility and it is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm excited to show you guys the full tour video of this 10-bed facility. So if you're interested, make sure to stick around. We are going to go ahead and jump straight into the full tour video. So this house is actually equipped with 7 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and right off the bat here, as you enter into the home, we actually have 2 bedrooms to my right and actually your left. And as we continue to go further down the hallway here, we actually have our first full bath. You can tell as we come down this way, we have another 2 bedrooms to make it a total of 4 bedrooms on this first part of the house here. And this bathroom is actually equipped with a step-in shower. As many of you can tell, every house is going to be configured a little differently, but with that, we're going to go ahead and show you guys the common living space here. So we'll go ahead and do that. And as we go back this way, this is actually where we have the common area space. We have the kitchen here, also the living room where all the residents hang out. We do have the master bedroom over here to the left of me and to your right, and we do have the dining room table. And also, as we come back down this way, we actually have 2 more bedrooms and 1 additional bathroom here. This would be the second, then the master bath, which we will not go and take a look at the moment. And we do have the laundry room, which actually leads out to the garage, and it is a 2-car garage. This home is just over 3,000 square feet. We actually have a bathroom here. Again, this one is equipped with the same type of shower as the previous one. The master bathroom shower is the full roll-in shower, and that is actually where a lot of the residents will go if they do need additional help getting into showers. We're now in the backyard of this 10-bed facility, and we actually really like this backyard simply for the fact that it is very minimalistic. There is no pool back here. There's no crazy gazebo, but a lot of those things are nice to have, but like a pool does create more liability for your facility. And we may at some point help with our operator, maybe put some type of covered patio back here. Even though we have it, maybe some type of gazebo. And we do have a walking way that residents could come out here and enjoy walking. So that is something that they can come do out here. And with this Arizona heat during the summer, they're typically not out here anyhow, but we will probably start adding some additional plants back here and just make it more lively for our operator and the residents that are currently here at the moment and for future residents. So that is the backyard. Ultimately, we will probably spruce it up just a little bit and make it more welcoming. And we did purchase this facility for $720,000, and we did end up having to put 30% down. As this lending environment is getting a little harder to acquire debt, we had to put $216,000 down for this facility. And if you guys are all interested in learning how to start this type of facility, make sure to go check out LegionAssistedLivingAcademy.com. And if you're looking to passively invest in this type of deal, make sure to go check us out at ValleyALFVentures.com. Make sure to go check us out on Instagram as well. And with all that being said, I will talk to you all in the next one. God bless.